Can I ask you a question? When was the last time you saw your work colleagues face to face? Actually, when was the last time you had a conversation with your colleagues which wasn't about work? And when was the last time you showed your gratitude to the people who work for you? Showing your appreciation, rewarding hard work, and gifting your employees has never been easier. So give up on boring gift cards and give the gift of adventure with Imagine Experiences. Our unique experiences offer you the opportunity to team build, enjoy delicious food and drink, and learn something new, giving you authentic, lasting memories that will allow you to talk about something other than work or the weather. So when it comes to rewarding your team, look no further than Imagine Experiences and give the gift of experience. Imagine experiencing the extraordinary together.